In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best budget 4K gaming PCs built in 2024. The year is 2024, and the world of gaming is ablaze with stunning 4K visuals. But experiencing this immersive glory doesn't have to break the bank. We've scoured the market and handpicked the top 5 budget 4K gaming PCs built in 2024, ensuring you can slay dragons and race rockets without emptying your wallet. Number 1. HP Victus 15L Intel i5-13600K RTX 4060T 16GB DDR5 RAM. This powerhouse packs a punch, boasting the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and the potent RTX 4060T graphics card. Expect buttery smooth 60 FPS plus gameplay at 4K in AAA titles with medium-high settings, making it a future-proof option for years to come. Plus, the sleek and compact design complements any battle station setup. My experience. During my testing, the Victus 15L impressed me with its quiet operation and surprisingly cool temperatures under load. The pre-installed Windows 11 felt snappy, and the included keyboard and mouse were surprisingly comfortable for casual gaming. While the RGB lighting options are limited, the sheer performance at this price point makes it a steal. Number 2. Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 7, AMD Ryzen 7 7700X, RTX 4070, 32GB DDR5 RAM. Team Red fans, rejoice! This Legion boasts the powerful Ryzen 7 7700X and the beefy RTX 4070, churning out ultra-high frame rates at 4K even in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing enabled. Upgrading to 32GB RAM future-proofs your build for memory-intensive games and multitasking. My experience, the Legion 5 Gen 7 oozes premium build quality with a sturdy chassis and satisfyingly clicky mechanical keyboard. The customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization, and the generous number of ports caters to all your peripheral needs. However, the larger form factor might not appeal to space-conscious users. Number 3. Zotac Mech Hero G6 Intel Core i7-14700K RTX 4060, 16GB DDR4 RAM. This compact marvel proves that good things come in small packages. The Mech Hero G6 delivers solid 4K performance with its i7-14700K and RTX 4060 combo, while remaining surprisingly quiet and thermally efficient. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller desks or LAN parties. My experience, the Mech Hero G6 surprised me with its ease of access to internal components, making upgrades or cleaning a breeze. The pre-installed software bloatware was minimal, and the included cooling solution kept temperatures under control even during intense gaming sessions. However, the smaller chassis offers limited upgradability compared to larger towers. Number 4. Acer Predator Orion 7000, AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, RTX 4050, 16GB DDR5 RAM. This entry-level option from Acer provides a surprisingly smooth 4K experience at lower-medium settings in most AAA titles. The Ryzen 5 7600X and RTX 4050 offer excellent value for budget-conscious gamers, and the sleek design with vibrant RGB lighting adds a touch of style. My experience, the Predator Orion 7000 impressed me with its user-friendly BIOS and pre-installed software that streamlines customization. The included mouse and keyboard are decent for basic use, but hardcore gamers might want to consider an upgrade. While the 4K performance isn't the highest on this list, it's unbeatable at this price point. Number 5. Skytech Shadow 3.0 Intel Core i5 13500, RTX 4050T, 16GB DDR4 RAM. This pre-built system by Skytech offers a well-rounded balance of performance and affordability. The i5-13500 and RTX 4050T deliver solid 4K performance at medium settings, making it ideal for most popular titles. Plus, the customizable RGB lighting and tempered glass side panel add a touch of visual flair. My experience, the Shadow 3.0 offers excellent cable management, leaving the interior clean and well ventilated. The included case fans are surprisingly quiet, even under load. I hope this completed video will provide you with all the information you need to choose the perfect budget 4K gaming PC for your needs. Please let me know if you have any other questions.